Good morning, dear children. Your Ajita teacher is here. Today we are starting with the maths period. All are ready for that? Okay. We can start maths. Take your notebook and textbook with you. Okay. Where we stopped, the children? We stopped at the portion estimation. Estimation we completed. Estimated sum, estimate the difference, estimate the product. This all we studied. So first what teacher is going to do is, teacher is giving some question related to estimation. Okay. After that we are going to the new topic. So get ready for that. This question whatever teacher is giving now, the end of the session teacher will ask the answers. So you have to make sure you have done these questions now itself. Okay. This is like a test, surprise test. Okay. Estimate the following. Today's first teacher is giving some questions for testing. You understood the estimation or not? Estimate. First question. Estimate. First one. See, estimate the sum. So you write and write the answer now itself. Don't say anything now. Last session teacher will ask, okay? Last interaction section is there. At that time teacher will ask the answers. Next. Teacher is giving 5 questions. You have to write down the answers now itself. The end of the session, teacher will ask, you have to say the answer, okay? See, teacher wrote 5 questions. Teacher is reading the question. You have to copy down now itself. 216 plus 387. This is estimation. We want the estimation answer, okay? You make it now itself. Second one, 1231 minus 811. Find out the estimated difference, subtraction. Okay? Next, third one, multiplication. Find the product. 2853 multiplied by 411. Third one. Fourth one, 3017 plus 1927. Okay, estimated the sum. Fifth one, 189 multiplied by 340. These are the questions. As a test, you have to do it now. By the end of the session, teacher will ask the answers of this. Okay? Because last class you studied estimated the sum, product, difference, all. So this all you have to estimate. That is, you know, if it is 3 digit, how to estimate. If it is 4 digit, how to estimate. You know that. So keep a rule in your mind and estimate this all properly. Okay, children? Hope you have done this one. This is the beginning 5 questions teacher gave you. You had to write the answer. Now teacher is moving to the next today's topic. Okay. So today actually we are going to start a new topic that is very interesting. That is the topic Roman numerals. All of you studied Roman numerals from grade 2 onwards, isn't it? So today we are starting the topic Roman numerals. Roman numeral means simple number, okay? Roman numeral. What is this Roman numeral, children? In olden days, these Roman people, they used some alphabet to represent the numbers. Okay? At that time, numbers, Hindu-Arabic numbers, they did not invent that one. At that time, Roman people, they used some alphabet to represent the number. Okay? So what are the alphabets they used? Romans used. All of you know that one. Romans used the alphabet I, V, X. Okay? I, V, X. See, what is the meaning of I, V and X? I means what, children? This is up to 10 teacher wrote. I means what? I means our Hindu-Arabic number. I means 1. V means what? V means 5. X means what? 10. Okay? This is up to 10. I, V and X they used. Okay? These letters used to represent up to 10. Then how to represent 2? 2 means they will put I 2 times. I 2 times. Then this is, teacher is writing first all the common letters they used. I, V, X, then they used L. L means what? L means 50. L represents 50. Then they use the C. C means what? C represents 100. Then they use the D. D means that is 500. Then one more letter they use that is M. M means that is 1000. So these are the letters Romans used. So these are known as Roman numeral or Roman number. Roman number, first Roman number is I. I means 1. V. V means 5. X. X means 10. L. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. So remember, these are the commonly used Roman numerals. These are the letters, okay? So remember that these letters, you have to by heart that one. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Children, write it down in the notebook. Roman numerals. After that, write the most commonly used Roman numbers. I in bracket write 1, or I just put a dash and write 1. V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, the D 500, and M is the highest Roman number they use, that is 1000. Nowadays also we are using these Roman numbers, right? We are using, teacher used to write Roman numbers in preparing the question papers and all. Teacher used to write this Roman number. Not all the numbers, up to 10. Anyway, in daily life we are using up to 10. Okay? So you know, in the clock also, in some clock, Roman numbers are there. Okay? Roman numbers we are using in our daily life also, we are using Roman numbers. So I, V, X, we are using, daily life we are using. Okay, you are also putting Roman numbers for writing the, if there are many sub questions are there in a question, we will used to put the Roman number, right? Teacher used to put the Roman numbers for preparing the question paper and all. So in daily life also we are using the Roman numbers up to this, up to 50 or up to 100 we are using. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, so write it down. Some rules are there. How to write the Roman number, some rules are there. Teacher used to say that one. So first write down up to this Roman numbers up to 1000 and in bracket write the numbers also. So I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L 50, C 100, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. Write it down, children. Teacher is moving. Now teacher is giving, you have to write up to 20, okay, write the Roman numerals up to 20 in the notebook, starting with the 1. So how to make means, make 2 columns, okay, teacher is also going to make 2 columns like this in the notebook also with the scale, make 2 columns, and this is Our number is known as, children, that is Hindu Arabic number, isn't it? Our number is known as Hindu Arabic number. This 1, 2, 3, etc. known as Hindu Arabic number. Then next, first column write Hindu Arabic number. Second column write Roman number or Roman numeral. Okay, Roman number. Teacher wrote Roman number. Okay. Then up to 20 we are writing. Okay. Make the column like this. Then teacher is writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then teacher is writing here only 11. No space for me. 11, 12, 13. After that, teacher will change the page. Okay. Then what is the Roman number for 1? We wrote it, that is I. What is the Roman number for 2? I 2 times we will write. I. Okay. Then Roman number for 3 is I. 3 times we can write. 3 times separate we can write, or some times we can write I. Both are okay. We are writing I separate 3 times, 2 I separate for 2, and 3 I separate for 3, or we can make it together also. Next, now listen carefully. We can repeat the number I maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. Next, 4 means we cannot write the I 4 times. That is wrong. We can repeat a Roman number maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. That means I we can repeat. See, I. That is 3. That next 4 means, this 4 how to write means, see, 5 means we know V. Then 4 means 1 is subtracting from 5. So we will write, that is IV. Okay? IV. Because 5 is V, and 4 means what? 1 subtracted from 5. Subtract. Listen, children. Subtraction means we are putting the number to the left side. Left side. See, this is 5. If you want the 4 means we have to subtract 1 from 5. How to subtract means we are writing V and subtract that 1 here. If you are putting to the left side of the number means, that means subtraction. So 1 is subtracted from 5, we got 4. That is what teacher wrote, IV. Okay, 4 means IV. The meaning is I is subtracted from V, we got 4. Next, 6, the same like. How to write 6 means 5 plus 1 is 6. We know 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 is V, and we are plusing 1. Adding 1 means to the right side we are putting. Addition means to the right side of the number. Subtraction means to the left side of the number. So 6, how to write 6 means VI. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 means 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, II. So we will write 7, 5 plus 2. Okay. Next, 8. 8 means 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. Teacher is writing 8. Okay. Now 9 means we cannot put 5 plus 4. Okay. We cannot put 5 plus I plus I plus I. That is wrong. We can repeat a number maximum 3 times. So here maximum 3 times I repeated. Now we cannot do more. At that time we know 10 means what? 10 means X. X means 10. So 9, how to write 9 means X minus I. X minus I. Minusing means what? Minusing means left side of the number we are putting. So this becomes 9. Okay. So 9 means if you are subtracting 1 from 10 means you have to put I to the left side of X. Left side. So 9 means IX. Then 11 means XI. 11. 12 means XII. 12. Next 13 means X, I. See children, like this way we are writing the Roman number. For subtracting something means you have to put the left side. See, 9 means X is a 10. So if you are putting I to the left of X means that represents 9. 11 means if you are putting X, then put the right side word I means that represents 11. So write it down. Teacher wrote up to 13. Now you have to complete up to 20, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1 means I 2 times 2, I 3 times 3. Then IV means 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 teacher wrote. Now teacher is moving to the next page. Then 14, right children? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up to 20 we are writing. So 14. 14 means what? 14 means X. 10 means X. Then we have to write 14. 4 to the right side. 10 plus 4 is 14. How to write 4? IV. So 14. 10 plus 4, 14. Next 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Next 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. Then 10 plus 8, 18. Finish. Then we cannot write again I. Only 3 times we can repeat the number. 10 plus 9. 9 is what? 9. So 19. 10 plus 10, 20. So like this we are writing. Also teacher said we can repeat the number maximum 3 times. That too we can repeat only I we can repeat 3 times. X we can repeat 3 times. Then we can C we can repeat 3 times. Then 1000 M we can repeat 3 times. Only these numbers we can repeat 3 times. Okay, that teacher will give us a note. So first write up to 20. Finish children? Roman numbers up to 20 we wrote it today. Okay, now teacher will give you some note which are the numbers we can repeat 3 times. We cannot repeat all the numbers 3 times. Suppose we cannot repeat. Okay, then L we cannot repeat. Then D also we cannot repeat. Teacher will give you that. So teacher is going to the next page. Hope you did it up to 20. Some rules are there children. So write rules. I, X, C, M. Okay, I, X, C and M. I, X, C and M. These 4 Roman numbers, these 4 Roman numerals we can repeat. Can be repeated. Can be repeated. Three times, okay? We can repeat this number 3 times. Only I, X, C, M. See what is the specialty of these numbers children? I means what? 1. X means what? 10. C means what? 100. And M means 1000. That means, see, 1, 10, 100, 1000. These numbers only we can repeat by maximum 3 times. Repeated maximum 3 times, okay? See, if it is, example, if it is 3, how to write 3? I. Okay? If it is 20, how to write? X, x. If it is 300, how to write 300 children? C, 300. If it is 3000, how will you write children? M. Because 1 M means 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, just example teacher wrote, but in exam and all, you have to learn up to 100 only. Up to 100. Why we are learning up to 100 means, in very rare in daily life, we are using the Roman numbers only up to 100. That is what we are learning, only up to 100. This is for understanding teacher wrote. So 3 means what? 3 means I repeated 3 times. Okay, teacher wrote I. Or we can write like this also, we can write I separately, we can write, okay? I. Then 20 means what? 20 means X. 30 means X. But 40 means we cannot write X 4 times. Only maximum 3 times a number can be repeated. Only 3 times. Remember that, always keep it in the mind. Only 3 times this number I, X, C and M can repeat. Only 3 times. Then 20 means X and X. 300 means, 100 means what? 100 means C. So 300 means C. 3000 means 1000 is M. So 3000 means M. So just try to understand that only the Roman numbers can be repeated are I, X, C and M. Only these numbers can be repeated. Okay, that too repeated maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. So teacher is moving to the next one. Hope you understood this one. Next page. Okay. Then what teacher said, only the repeated numbers are I, X, C and M. Next second point is V, L and D are never repeated. Cannot be repeated, okay? V, L and D cannot be repeated. Suppose children, if it is given 11 means we will write X and I. V means we cannot write V. That is a wrong way. Okay, we cannot repeat that Roman numbers V. We can only write V only once. L also, we cannot write L. That is a wrong way. Okay, we cannot write. D means 500. We cannot repeat these numbers. We can repeat only the numbers I, X, C and M. Okay, so V, L, D can't be repeated. We cannot repeat these numbers. Remember that. We cannot repeat V, L and D. V means what? 5. L means 50 and D means 500. We cannot be repeated. Okay. So write this one. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Next, third point is a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Maximum 3 times only we can repeat. Okay. Next. Next point means in subtracting a number means you have to put the value left side. Suppose some example only teacher is writing. If you are writing also you will not understand that. If you want to write, it is 40. How to write 40 children? How to write 40 here? 40 means 50 means L. So 40 means XL. XL. How to write 90, children? 90 means 100 is what? 100 is C. So 90 means XC. Understood? How to write 60? How to write 60? 50 means L. 60 means LX. LX. This is some common examples, okay? Not the example of this one. This is some common example. So remember that V, L and D cannot be repeated. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. More than 3 times we cannot repeat any symbol in Roman number. 40, how to write 40, children? XL. How to write 90? XC. How to write 60? LX. Now we are going to write some questions. Next page teacher is taking. Today's your work is, homework is, write down the Roman numerals write down the Roman numerals. Today's homework, okay? Write down the Roman numerals. Up to 20 we finished, right, children? Then 21 to 100. We are learning the Roman numerals 21 to 100. Today's homework, okay? So take 2 pages of the notebook and make 2 columns. First column, how we will write? The normal number we are saying, that is Roman number we are saying Hindu-Arabic number. Hindu-Arabic. So first column make Hindu-Arabic number. Second column make Roman number. Okay? See, so today's the assignment, today's your homework, write down the Roman numerals 21 to 100. That is the work today. Now, teacher is giving you some question. Okay, this is the homework. Okay, this is the homework. Mark it as homework. Now, in exam, how the question will come? They will ask you the question. Question 1. See, teacher put the Roman number only. Write the Roman numeral . Write the Roman numerals for first 69, second 98. Okay, how will you do, children? 69, write the Roman numerals for 69. 69 means what? 60 plus 9. 69 means, if you want in the refer column, you can write 69 means that is 60 plus 9. How to write 60, children? 60 means 50 plus 10. 50 means what? L. 50 means L. 60 means what? 10 we had to put it to the right side of the L. LX. LX means 60. L is 50. And if you are putting X to the right side of the number means that is the addition, shows the addition. So LX means 60 plus 9. Plus 9 means what? 9 plus 9. So we can write 9 like this. See the number? 50, 69. 69. Okay? We can make it simple form. We can expand the number and we can write. Then next, see, 98 means what? 90 plus 8. 90 means what, children? 90 means 100 means C. We know 100 means C. So 90 means XC. XC, correct? C means 100. XC means 90. If you are putting X to the left side means that represent subtraction. So 100 minus 10, that is 90. Then plus 8. 8. See, XC and 8, 98. So 60 plus 9, 60 means 50 plus 10, LX, then 9, IX. Then 98 means 90 plus 8, 90 means 100 minus 10, so that is XC. 100 minus 10 means we have to put the 10 to the left side of the C. So XC and 8 we are putting. So write this two. Teacher is writing some more questions. Roman numerals till this much is coming for the exam. Our full chapter up to Roman numerals is there for the online exam. Okay. So write down some more questions like this, children. If it is 54, 75, 80, 66, 45. Children, how to write the Roman number? 54 means what? 54, how to write in Roman number form? Roman number. 54 means 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4. 50 means what? L, and 4 means what? IV. 54. 50 plus 4. 50 means L. L means 50 and 4. 54. Then 70. 70 means what, children? 70 plus 5. How to write 70? 70 means L, X, 60, 70, then 5, 75. Correct, children? Like this you have to write. If you are doing so much practice, you will get it. Don't worry about that. 80 means what, children? 50 plus 30, that is 80. So L, 50, X, X, X. 60, 70, 80. Correct. Next is 60 plus 6. 60 means what, children? 60 means L, X, 60. Then 6. 6 means VI. Okay. LX means 60. Then VI. 45. How to write 45? 40 means what? 40 means 50 minus 40 means 45. 40 plus 5. How to write 40 means X, L. L is 50. If you write in 10, left side means that represent 40. Then 5. Okay. So these are the work we have done to the Roman numerals. Tomorrow we will continue. Teacher will give you a test in a Roman numeral portion. Okay. Teacher will give you a test. So prepare well. Today you have to write Roman numerals up to 100 and study very well. Okay. So teacher will ask tomorrow some questions. First teacher will give you a test paper related to Roman numerals tomorrow in the beginning. So revise everything very well and write the Roman numerals up to 100.